Yo, I just want to thank you, Jack, for trusting me with this accountability coach position. Um, it means a lot to me, first and foremost. But the most important thing is that I'm actually doing what I love to do, which is to help people progress to the next level of whatever it is that they want to do. I just got off the phone, or Facebook phone, with Tammy Taylor. Um, she was actually getting ready to try to quit. I don't know what it was, but something kept pulling me to her. And I wrote her in the 100K, and I told her, I said, write me, DM me as if you're trying to get me to come and check a presentation, and you're trying to set an appointment for me. And we just spent 37 minutes going over everything that you guys have taught me. I literally poured right back into her, and she actually got emotional and told me that she was getting ready to let it go. She was gonna finish her payments and let this go. And that means a lot to me, that someone who's never met me was able to get that close to me and to trust me in a matter of 36 minutes and get it done. I know you busy, man. I just want to let you know um, that it's working. And I do plan on reaching out to other people. She was my test drive, and it touched me more than I expected. So thank you again for giving me something that I really would cherish, man. I really appreciate you, and I love you to death, Jack. You my boy, man.